In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall AnyDesk from your PC completely, step by step. We'll remove the main app from your computer and then we'll clean up the leftover folders so AnyDesk is fully gone from your system. This is a simple process, and if you follow along carefully, you'll be done in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and it means you won't miss the next helpful guide. Alright, let's get started. First, open the control panel. To do that, click the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen, type Control Panel, and then open it from the search results. Once the control panel window appears, you'll see several options available. Next, click on Programs. After that, select Uninstall a program. This will take you to the list of all the applications installed on your computer. Give it a moment to load completely so you can see everything clearly. Now scroll through the list and look for AnyDesk. Once you find it, click on AnyDesk to highlight it. After that, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Windows may ask you to confirm the action, so if you see a prompt, click Yes or Uninstall to continue. Then wait for the uninstall process to finish. Depending on your system, it may take a few moments. Once AnyDesk has been removed from the program list, the next step is to delete the leftover files in AppData. This part is important because sometimes uninstalling a program leaves behind extra folders on your device. To do that, press Windows + R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will open the AppData roaming folder. Look for the AnyDesk folder inside this location. When you find it, right-click on the folder and choose Delete. After that, we'll do the same thing for ProgramData. Press Windows + R again to open Run. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. A new folder window will open. Find the AnyDesk folder here as well, then right-click it and select Delete. This helps remove any remaining application data that may still be stored on your computer. Now that the main app and leftover folders are removed, the final step is to restart your laptop. Before restarting, save any open work so you don't lose anything important. Then restart your system and let Windows load completely. After the restart, AnyDesk should be fully uninstalled from your PC. If you want to double check, you can search for AnyDesk again or look through your installed programs to make sure it no longer appears. And that's it. You've now learned how to uninstall AnyDesk in PC and remove the leftover folders for a cleaner uninstall. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.